Sarah, and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, then hello. So today I'm going to be doing kind of like a re-unboxing of the IREN Skin Vaporizer. I got this earlier this week and I was able to open it and just see what was inside, but I boxed it back up the same evening that I got it, and then I haven't opened it or used it yet. So I thought it would be an interesting video if I unboxed it again and then kind of told you guys about this brand and also like what this product is about. So let's get started. So it came in this nice little box here, and it says on the front what it is. It's a skin vaporizer. So from reading their pamphlet here, it's like a skincare tool where it kind of like, it sprays the serum or the ampoule that they give you into very, very fine nanoparticles. So if you can see in this picture here, this big circle is the size of like human hair, and then you have dust, which is that size, and then the nanocell. So the IREN Skin Vaporizer, it kind of what is it? I guess disperses the ampoule and the serum small enough that it kind of goes into your skin better. And I thought that was really cool. And also, again, like it pushes the ingredients much deeper into the skin rather than just layering it onto your skin, but also it has kind of like that sanitary element to it where you don't have to like touch your face, to apply your skin products. So, and I guess it like sprays like everywhere, so you don't like miss any like areas on your face either. So, it costs $338, as you can see down here. It is a bit costly and expensive, and I will say this right now that this was a gift for me in exchange for a review, but I don't think that will kind of hinder me from giving an honest review about this. But I don't think I'll be able to review it like completely today because it is my first time using it. But one full charge is 2 weeks of usage, so that's pretty good. And yeah, that's kind of it for now. All right, so just to kind of explain about the brand was created, or the founder of the brand his name is Eric Tan, and he created this skincare line because his wife was going through IVF, and all of the hormones were kind of making her skin like break out and have a lot of different issues. And so he did research in Singapore and Japan to create a skincare line that was safe and suitable for sensitive skin. And so I thought that was really, really cool. And they are vegan friendly, and they are a clean beauty brand, and they don't have like the big 10 like chemicals or like parabens or mineral oils or synthetic colors, silicones, drying alcohols, and fragrances, SLS, SLES, oxybenzone, and this is a really hard word for me to say, phthalates. I'm butchering that word, but anyway, so he created this skincare line to be safe enough for like very sensitive skin users, and I am very sensitive right now. Like I have allergy, like skin problems on my lids right now, and I have eczema on my forehead into my scalp area, and just like around my lips are very sensitive and dry as well, and I think I'm getting a little bit on my nose too, and you guys know about my neck. So I am very excited to try this out, especially with the skin vaporizer. When you have very sensitive skin and when you're like trying to apply with your hands, like you do have a lot of bacteria here. And the first thing that I learned about like especially when I was getting into Korean skincare, is that you should always wash your hands before you wash your face. It's like weird because like you're like, I'm using a soap to wash my face anyways, why do I need to wash my hands first? So again, like, you know, bacteria can go into your skin and get in contact with your skin anytime. So like having cleanliness be number one before you go into any type of skincare is super, super important. So because you don't have to use your hands directly touching your face while you're applying, I think that's also really, really great. So why don't we open this box, and I will open it again. So it's a pretty hefty box. It just kind of, this kind of slides off, and then this box is so pretty. It's like a rainbow type thing. And I think that's what they're going for because the ampoules that they have are in different colors. And so when they first reached out to me, I had to take a skin test or a skin quiz just to see what type of concerns that I had about my own skin. And they sent me 3 different ones. So the first one is anti-aging, which is this red color. And it says, boost skin vitality and reduce aging signs with goji extract. So you can see the little goji berry on the front. Okay. And then we have number 3. So this is the whitening serum. And then you can probably see on the front it has yuzu extract. And then the last one that they gave me is for aged skin. And you can see in the front it has like a tiny little bead. So it helps with wrinkles and firming the skin. So there's the 3 serums that I got. It's very, very cute. And let me just open up one for you here. Yeah. It comes in these little cute bottles, and it's one of those like twist caps, so you don't have to like pump it up. Or I think you do pump once and then you just bring it out like that. That's pretty awesome. So there's a convenience in using these. And then this is the pink one. They're gonna look so cute. And plus they're glass, so you don't have any like plastic, which is also great, which I'm getting more into, you know. So there's that. It looks like a little mini rainbow. They're really cute. I would love to have all of those bottles. All right, so let's get into the technology here. Ooh, it almost fell out. So it comes in a box like this. You have the nano vaporizer here, and then you have the serum mixer in the middle, and then the charging cord. All right, so you just open up the cap like this, and then I think they already charged it for you, so you can probably hear it. And then what you do is open up this top part, and then you put the mixed serum in this little container here, and it also has like another cap as well. All right, so let's get to mixing. This is the serum mixer right here. It's a twist off cap like that, and then I think this comes off. Oh, so it just falls out like that. Okay, sorry about that. All right, so I'm just gonna add a pump of this in here. Maybe 2 pumps. Okay. I did 3. I do want to pour all of it in at once, but I'm just gonna try it out with a couple drops first. All right. Put the nozzle back on. Just give it a bit of a shake here. And then I'm going to put this in the vaporizer. Like so. I hope this is enough. I think so. The container isn't like that big. All right, so again, you close the inner cap and then the outer cap, snap it in. Okay. All right, let's see how it works. Whew. So you do definitely feel the mist, you know, on your skin. I don't know if there is any like direction. It says, direct the nozzle at your face about 10 to 15 centimeters away. Ensure to keep the moving device around your face and not to stay in one area while you're spraying. All right. And then this is the little demonstration face. So forehead side to side, nose up and down, zigzagging around the cheeks and around the mouth, and downward around the jawline. All right, so let's try that one more time. Ooh, that's nice. And then I think you just kind of let it dry. But like, I don't think any of the serums have like scents. It just doesn't have any smell to them. Yeah, I feel like, you know, like it covers definitely the whole face, and you know, you can like adjust it to the side, everywhere. Just spray my neck. Okay. And also because it shoots the air out, you can feel the air. It helps to dry out, to dry the, what is it? The serum that you've just sprayed on. So it's not like a dripping feeling. Like you're applying it, plus it's drying it as well. So yeah, that was pretty cool and handy. I am definitely going to be using this a lot. Like, I think this is going to be a very fun product, fun skincare to use. And it doesn't take very long either, because you're just, you know, applying it to your skin. And if you want to wash it, it says add skincare product. Oh, yes. So the nozzle cleaning is all in the user manual. You just press the 2 square buttons on the sides to lift it off, and then you can clean it as directed in the manual. All right, guys. So like the serum, like it doesn't feel tacky, and I think I can go straight into applying my cream on top. This is definitely a interesting and very, very handy tool that I think I'm going to be using quite a bit, because I do have a lot of serums that are like this viscosity, and I can't wait to try it with other products, but also mainly the IREN serums here. So yeah, I will let you guys know how I like it as I use it more. I don't think I can give it a full review right now because it is my first time using it. But you know, as the demo went, I think it went pretty well. It's definitely giving me that dewy vibes, and my skin, it doesn't feel like it's stinging from, you know, using the serums either. So yeah, I will see and let you guys know how it goes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this re-unboxing with me. You know, some of you might have seen it on my Instagram. But, you know, if you haven't, then here you go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do. And you can also, you know, follow me on Instagram to see any like daily updates on, like things like makeup looks or new products and different things. And if I didn't mention it already, the serums and also the vaporizer were gifted to me and in exchange for a review, but it has no effect on my opinions about the products itself. So hopefully later, after I get to use this more often and incorporate it more into my routine, I will be able to give you a full review on it. All right, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!